Everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to use Anki flashcards for language learning. So basically the most important thing to remember when using flashcards is to remember it's mnemonic device, not a game. For example, if I send you a flashcard deck of Swahili words, I'm 100% confident you could learn them all with enough time, but you wouldn't be able to speak Swahili in the end. So these are their suggestions for how to use flashcards to learn a language. So learn words in the context of sentences. Don't just learn the words mechanically like memorizing the word for to eat. Learn sentences. Make sure you can use every word in context. For example, rather than learn to eat, learn sentences like I feel like eating, or I just ate, I don't want to eat right now. Say them back to yourself. And basically you can even use Anki to just learn entire sentences like Glossica does, or you can just use Glossica, but it's the customers would like Anki is or free. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.